Gold, silver, coins, bars. It can all feel like a maze when you're just starting out. How do you figure out which type matches your retirement goals? Diving into precious metals, you will quickly notice there's more variety than you might expect. Bullion coins are government minted, recognized worldwide, and easy to trade. Bars and ingots are ideal for those looking to purchase larger amounts efficiently. Numismatic coins are collectibles. They can carry value beyond the metal itself. And jewelry, it's both wearable and a potential investment. The Why Precious Metals Guide breaks down the pros and cons of each type, helping you align your choices with your retirement strategy, whether you're after liquidity, long term growth, or a tangible store of wealth. This is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like the Silver Scheme Report and the Company Integrity Checklist, all designed to give you a clear, confident start in precious metals investing. I've linked this guide in the description. If you want a straightforward way to understand the different gold and silver options so you can pick what truly fits your retirement plan, download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle. It's completely free, practical, and packed with insights to help you invest confidently. You will find the link in the description.